since I got you here, I can ask you direct questions about Run to the Hills 3.
Okay.
Is there anything that we should know about Run to the Hills?
Bring your bike, because we're going to ride. That's it.
Friday, Saturday, and some stuff going on Sunday.
But everybody knows it's a riding event.
Okay.
It's not anything where we're just sitting around. Well, we do some sitting around later on or whatever, but it's a riding event. We're going to ride. We're going to be in the hills of East Tennessee. We're going to see some beautiful scenery, meet some awesome people. We're going to ride. That's the plan.
All right.
So come on down. No matter what you're riding, you got an Indian, you got a Honda.
So if I had a Valkyrie, I could come on a Valkyrie.
You got a Valkyrie, you got anything, hey, come on down, ride. You got a glide, we're going to glide. That's what it is.
So what about like spiders and stuff like that, and Can-Ams and all that kind of
Come on down.
Really?
Come on down.
How about slingshots?
Bring it.
Come on down. How about a Vespa?
Ooh.
Come on down.
Oh, Vespa folks.
Catch up.
Catch up.
Yeah.
So
It's all good.
So what about like riding levels? So are you gonna have like different groups or whatever? For
No,
different
we're
riding
going to
levels?
just take it easy. We gliding easy on this one. It's nothing. We're not ripping through there. We're just going to enjoy the scenery, enjoy East Tennessee. Everybody ride at their own pace, at their own risk.
Mm-hmm.
It's nothing where we're going to be pushing anybody out of their comfort zone by any means. You ride your bike. You can control your ride and do what you feel comfortable with, and you will know the route. So don't feel any pressure to be riding above your comfort level.
All right.
Yeah.
So the banquet's on Saturday.
Yes, Saturday.
All right, so
tickets are sold out.
So say for instance, we're there and it's Friday, banquet is Saturday. Where should Ride to the Hill attendees go to eat? Like, is there barbecue place?
Downtown Knoxville. They can just go to downtown Knoxville, check it all out. You can go there, park your bike on Main Street. There's restaurants down there, or Pigeon Forge is only 30 minutes up the road. Go to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. If you don't know what Pigeon Forge is, that's the home of Dollywood. Yeah, we got Tennessee's just a good place, a great environment.
Mm-hmm.
Or just find a back road and just roll. That's you can do that too. It's a good thing. But we about to get to North Carolina.
All right,
So
cool. So I'm gonna jump on the bike and ride with you.
And glide easy.
All right.
I see you.
It's that time of year again. Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 3. We are ready. And I can't wait to have you guys down to Knoxville, Tennessee. We are going to ride. We are going to ride. The host hotel will be the Hilton Garden Inn in Knoxville, Tennessee, 6200 Paper Mill Drive. Click the link below in the description to get a discounted rate. The banquet is on Saturday night, and tickets will be on sale to the banquet. Of course, we're going to have t-shirts provided and a giveaway for those who attend the banquet. We only have 130 tickets that we can sell. Last year, they sold out quickly. This year, I'm expecting it to do the same. I'll be giving you some more details on the ride that'll be coming up, so you make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications to be notified so you can receive up-to-the-minute information about the rides that we're going to be riding at Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 3. Guys, I hope to see you there. Don't forget, mark your calendar for June 9th, 10th, and 11th for Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 3. Last year we had a blast. This year's going to be even better. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.